If you are dreaming to come to UK, this powerful UK charity is offering a life-changing job sponsorship. I will tell you their names and how to apply. Before I go further, mind you that they are not collecting any money of any kind, and we are not collecting any money. We are not collecting any registration fee or consultation fee. Please, nobody should take advantage of you and take away your hard-earned income. This is charity worker. Mind you that they are not going to pay you, but they will be giving you stipends. They will cater for your flight ticket, they will cater for your visa fee and the accommodation. And at end of your process, you will come to UK, and at end of your employment, that is your charity, they can employ you, or you can switch to other company. Especially when you arrived in the UK, many companies, they are willing to take you as long as you are in UK. You can switch. Contract with them will end in 1 year, and from there they can employ you, real employment, because they pay. They have paid employment, they have volunteers. So after volunteering with them, if they like you, they can employ you permanently. So when you get there, please make sure that you write proper CD that suit the job description, so that they will shortlist you. How to apply is that you will go to Google and type in savethechildren.org.uk/career. Go to Google and type in savethechildren.org.uk/careers. Go to Google and type in savethechildren.org.uk/careers. Then add your CV and cover letter. Make sure that your CV matches the job description. If this video pleases you, please give it thumb up and say good, fine, beautiful. If it interests you, say interesting. If you are interested, say I am interested. Please share our video, tag it to everybody. This job is good for those in Africa, Nigeria, or any part of Africa. Anywhere you are is good for you. And also those in UK looking for job sponsorship. Please share our video. Thank you. Bye for now.